Hello, my name is Shelly Waters. I'm from Finland. Some of my interests include seagulls, Brussels sprout, Bachelor in Paradise, yam, Pixar Finding Nemo, fake plants. I am on Plenty of Fish because I like fish. I like men. I like men who fish. I like fish who bite at the little toes of men. I am like fish. I want to bite at the little toes of men. I want to create fish. I want to pretend I am mermaid and talk on the phone on a shell. Do you hear that? That is the sound of my heart. Boom, boom, swish, swish. That is all.
Hi, I am Shelly Seashell. Let's see, I am 26 years old, but don't look a day over 23, if you know what I mean, boys. Let's see, I have heard about this dating website. What's it called? Plenty of Fish. Right, sorry, just got distracted, sidetracked by something. I've heard of this website through, actually, funny enough, my ex-boyfriend. He was on it. His name was Shelton. So if you're watching this, Shelton, just know I miss you. Right, so, sorry, anyways, getting back to it. I chose this website because I love the ocean. I love ocean jokes, puns, those are actually my thing, Shelton. But I'm sure you guys have heard all of them. It's just one we threw around a couple of times. So I'm just putting this on the web because I want to just send out a quick internet wave to people. Right, sorry. Yeah, so that's basically me. I'm from California. I love long walks on the beach and fishing.
Hi, I'm Ariel. I'm sorry. My name is Shelly Seaweed. I'm from Florida. My interests include everything that has to do with Ariel. I'm told I look very similar to her. I actually had my hair dyed to the exact color that it was in the movie. Let's see, what can I say about me? I'm on Plenty of Fish because, I was searching up the web and I didn't find the website that was for Plenty of Mermaids. Let's see, I'm looking for a human, preferably with legs. I've had my fair share of mermen and I don't know, I'm looking for a real man. Looking for someone who is mermaid for me. I have 10 sisters. I'm not going to talk about them because, we're talking about me. Contact me, you can call me up on the cell phone or just type me a little message and I'll try to get back to you. I'm not really used to typing, so it kind of takes me a while, but I'm going to have my little fish friends help me out. I'll send you a message and get back to me.